So this is Deckorators decking, and the unique thing about Deckorators decking is in some of their product lines they have a very distinct embossing, which makes the plank look and feel much more like a distressed hardwood floor that you'd see on the interior of a home. And in addition to that, it's a more traditional embossing that is designed to increase the slip resistance of the plank. And you can see between these two planks, this one obviously has a lot more visible color variegation, but that's part of the extrusion process that Deckorators employs to make this deck plank. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it useful, please click like and subscribe.